In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello for project management. Whether you're managing a small team project or organizing a large-scale business operation, Trello offers a flexible and intuitive platform to keep everything running smoothly. So let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to Trello.com. This is where you'll manage all your projects. If you haven't already created an account, it's a simple process, and once you're set up, you can begin crafting your boards. Once you're logged in, head over to the board section and click on Create a New Board. This is your project hub, and you'll want to name it after your specific project. For example, something like website redesign or marketing campaign will keep it clear and organized. Now it's time to set up your lists. Lists are essentially your project's workflow stages. A typical project might follow a progression from backlog to do, moving through in progress, then review, and finally done. This structure helps you visualize the journey of each task and manage your project's flow effectively. With the lists in place, it's time to populate them with cards. Think of each card as an individual task or deliverable. For example, you might have tasks like design homepage wireframe, write blog post draft, or set up Google Analytics. Detailing these tasks as cards makes them actionable and easy to monitor. When you open a card, you'll find several key features to enhance your task management. First, add a checklist. Breaking down tasks into smaller steps with a checklist makes it easier to tackle complex projects. Checking off items as you complete them is not only satisfying but also helps keep the whole team on track. Next, utilize labels. Labels are fantastic for organizing and prioritizing your tasks, whether by priority level, department, or type of task. This adds a layer of visual clarity and can be a lifesaver when sorting through numerous cards. Don't forget to attach files, mock-ups, or links to your cards. By adding attachments directly to cards, all relevant information remains centralized and easy to access. This ensures that everyone involved has what they need at their fingertips. Additionally, remember to assign due dates to your cards. Due dates are crucial for keeping your project on schedule, and they help team members prioritize their work. Another powerful feature in Trello is the Views button located in the top left corner. By changing the view to calendar, timeline, or other options, you gain different perspectives on your project, allowing you to better strategize and deploy resources. Finally, collaboration is key. Click the share button in the top right corner of your board to invite team members. This not only streamlines communication, but ensures everyone involved has access to the latest updates and information. And there you have it, a solid foundation for using Trello to manage your projects efficiently. Dive into Trello and start seeing how these steps can help streamline your project management process. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.